Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope you're doing really well. Thank you to everyone that's been watching my video clips regarding my wild-crested cockatoos. This is my morning flock. The afternoon flock, I have two friendly cockatoos that come down. So I'm looking forward to filming that for you this afternoon. I don't see those guys every single day, but when they do come down, make an effort to try and film as much as I possibly can. But they're all up here, waiting their turn. So I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all just waiting up in the tree there for their turn. These ones are very spooked. So, but anyway, I'll be filming again this afternoon, and I look forward to showing you some more content later on tonight. Have a great day. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and also on Threads. YouTube, I don't post often. Anyway, I'll see you guys until later on. Bye.